So cute baby girl names. First name is Bhagavati, means creation. Second name is Mitali, means a good friend. Next name is Mita, means a friend. Next name is Lakshmi, means God. Next name is Madhusmita, means smile. Next name is Sumi, means refined. Next name is Rajoshi, means Ma Durga. Next name is Khushi, means happiness. Next name is Kriti, means reputation, fame. Next name is Mommy, means beautiful. Next name is Neha, means love. Next name is Uma, means goddess Parvati. Next name is Bhagyasri, means lucky. Next name is Urvi, means earth. Next name is Megha, means cloud. Next name is Asha, means desire. Next name is Pari, means angel. Next name is Sima, means limit. Next name is Suni, means gold. Next name is Anu, means angel. Next name is Bhumi, means soil. Next name is Vinny, means humble. Next name is Sina, means virtuous woman. Thanks for watching this video.